gaming earbuds. User manual. Charging cord type C. These have game mode and music mode. Bluetooth 5.1. Smart touch control. Sweat as much as you like. These are deep waterproof. These are magnetic. When you put them back in the case, you can feel it. So we ran into a problem here. All the instructions are in Chinese, man. Chinese. There's also no way to put these in English. I've tried everything. So when you power these on, you hear Ni Hao. And when you power these off, you hear Saichin. Ah! Gotta be kidding me, man. You gotta be serious. I did leave a 1-star review for these because of the huge surprise. The listing is in English and everything else is in Chinese. So back into the box they go. So do not buy these unless you speak Chinese. This was going to be my Christmas giveaway, but I do not want to send these to nobody unless I know for sure you speak Chinese.